Hi everyone, this is Kai.
And this is Twiggy.
Yes, we are here. And today is our first time to do how-to tutorial together.
Exactly. I think it's going to be a very interesting episode.
And the International Children's Day is coming very soon, but we can't really celebrate anymore.
Obviously, Kai, we're not kids anymore. But I think it will be a really great chance to use our conveyor feeder of our P2 to make some very interesting project, probably for your nieces and nephew.
Wow.
And today, we're gonna make that into a competition.
That sounds very intense, but I'm down for it.
Yeah, I'm also very competitive.
Yes,
and you
why
guys
not?
can let us know which project you like better. Obviously,
it's
because
me.
I think a lot of parents care about the growth in height for their children, right? So I got inspiration to make a giraffe growth chart for you to measure the height for your kids each year, and you can mark it directly on the giraffe growth chart. So I think with some color, your kids is gonna love it very much. So let's go ahead and get started. Now let's place this 96 inches long plywood onto the conveyor feeder of P2.
Okay, it's my turn. Since Twiggy make a growth chart to encourage children to do more sports, I'm gonna take over the brain exercise part. So someone said reading is to the mind what exercise to the body. So I'm gonna make a bookshelf for the kids to start their books. Remember, reading is dreaming with open eyes. Alright, let's place this 4 inches thick plywood onto the rails, and the conveyor feeder will slide in. Next, I'm gonna edit in our software xTool Creative Space.
If you guys want to see more of the laser tutorial, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more. So now we have our giraffe cut it out, and let's get the giraffe out and we can start to paint some color on it.
Wow, look at your giraffe. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, look at how long it is. I mean, wow.
It's much taller than us.
Yep. Only with our P2 conveyor feeder, you can make such a long project like this. I think this giraffe growth chart would be really great to, measure the height for your nieces and nephew. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, why not? I mean, it's really great gift for the children.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
And also look at your bookshelf. So cute as well.
Yeah, you see all the colors perfectly fit in, and there's a rocket, so not you're physically grow up, also you're mentally, because you're gonna read a lot of books in your life, so you can just put all the books here. It's very convenient to put them together. You don't have to use any glue, so it's very easy for the parents or the grandparents or the children together to put them together, right?
Definitely. I mean, each of our projects have their own characteristic.
Yes, of
but
course.
obviously, you guys can vote which one is better. Obviously, it's gonna be mine because it's like
sure.
you can't really make this long project like this, right?
But this
without
one's perfect.
our P2.
So just type Kai, K-A-I in the comments.
Type T in the comment section. Let us know which one is better. Okay. And I hope you guys have enjoyed today's episode of our first how-to together. Right?
And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll probably see you next time together as well, right?
Yeah, exactly. I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye.